Hello and welcome to another video where we will show you a beginner-friendly website that'll earn you up to $800 per day. So, what are we waiting for? Let's begin. Today, I want to share with you an opportunity to make money online through a website that has the potential to double your investment every day. What's great about this method is that you don't need any prior experience, and you can do it from anywhere in the world using just a laptop, computer, phone, and internet connection. Before diving into the details of how this website can help you generate income, there's an essential step you need to take. You should sign up for either Stripe or PayPal, depending on what payment options are available in your country. This will allow you to collect your earnings from the website we'll create together in the following step-by-step tutorial. Short videos from Instagram posted on Reels and short YouTube videos posted on Shorts have become a powerful tool for promoting services and digital products, and have since been seen to have tremendous success, earning tens of thousands of dollars. The popularity of Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts is rapidly growing, and people are capitalizing on their potential to generate substantial income. Now, the great thing is that you don't have to personally edit or post these videos to make money using this method. I recommend visiting clickandshort.com, an AI tool that transforms long-form videos into short-form videos with added captions and other features. You can create a free account by simply registering on their website. By leveraging Click and Short, you can convert a single long-form video into hundreds of short-form videos within seconds. This level of efficiency is truly remarkable. You might ask, what's Click and Short? Click and Short is a video editing app on Google Play and the App Store. It offers basic editing tools, special effects, music integration, and slideshow creation. The app is free to download and use, but in-app purchases are available for additional features. It's known for being easy to use, versatile, and suitable for users without video editing experience. However, it may have limited features compared to other video editing apps. And the free version adds a watermark to saved videos. Overall, it's a good option for those seeking a simple and user-friendly video editing app. To monetize these short-form videos, you can consider starting your own agency. By utilizing Click and Short, you can create various packages that offer YouTube Shorts with captions, branding, and other elements. The pricing plan on Click and Short shows that unlimited shorts cost about a couple of dollars, meaning each YouTube Short would cost less than 50 cents. Considering that people are willing to pay around $25 to $35 for professionally created YouTube Shorts, you can develop different packages and provide excellent value to your clients. Remember that starting an agency requires careful planning, marketing, and delivering high-quality services consistently. Establishing a solid reputation and providing exceptional customer service is essential to ensure your agency's success. You will then connect your Click and Short with a landing page called ClickEra. ClickEra is a landing page builder that helps users create and manage their online presence. It allows users to create websites using a drag-and-drop interface and add content elements like text, images, and video. Users can track website analytics and set up e-commerce functionalities to sell products and services. ClickEra offers a free plan with limited features and a paid plan with more advanced features. It's known for its ease of use, versatility, and suitability for beginners. However, the free plan has limitations, and the paid plan may be expensive for some users. Overall, ClickEra is a suitable platform for users looking for an easy-to-use solution to create websites. To connect the two, follow these steps. Sign up for accounts on both Click and Short and ClickEra. Generate an API key for Click and Short by visiting the settings page and clicking the API tab. Access the integrations page in ClickEra and select the Click and Short integration. Enter your API key into the designated field and save the settings. Create a video using Click and Short and obtain the embed code from the share page. On your ClickEra website, navigate to the desired section and add a video block. Paste the obtained embed code into the video block to display your video. By completing these steps, you will establish a connection between Click and Short and ClickEra, enabling you to seamlessly incorporate your Click and Short created videos into your ClickEra website. From there, you can easily click the Edit Page Content button to customize and create your agency. You can also leverage ChatGPT to assist you with generating compelling copy. Now, if you're enjoying this video and want more valuable money-making ideas, don't forget to hit that bell, like, and subscribe to our channel to remain up to speed on our latest material. Next, you can offer different packages to your clients. For instance, you can create a package with 25 shorts priced at $7 per short, resulting in a total package cost of approximately $175. You can customize the URL by clicking the button and ensuring it directs to your Stripe account with a payment link. Once someone makes a payment, you can effortlessly generate those 25 shorts within seconds using Click and Short. Creating the shorts will cost around $7 using Click and Short, allowing you to maximize your earnings through the agency. This platform provides an excellent opportunity to significantly increase your income potential. With the ability to multiply your earnings, you can capitalize on the power of Click and Short. On the landing page, your first step is to customize the entire website. Feel free to adjust the colors and, of course, change the name to your preference. You can make further customizations, such as changing colors, modifying buttons, and adding additional features. You can even expand your offerings by including a wide range of packages, such as 1,000 different YouTube shorts. With such a comprehensive package, you can set a price point of, let's say, $1,000. However, by leveraging Click and Short, the cost of producing those shorts can be less than $25, and the entire project can be completed within a day without requiring your direct involvement. This approach allows you to swiftly create a high-value service without the need to invest significant time and effort. By utilizing Click and Short and making the necessary adjustments, you can establish a successful business venture in no time. Now, it's essential to customize the button URLs with your own custom payment links. This will enable people to make payments and allow you to start earning money from your services. Simply click on each button, update the URL with your payment link, and don't forget to save the changes. Once you publish the website, it will go live and visitors can click on these buttons to purchase services directly from you. But how do you attract customers and encourage them to buy your services? There are numerous ways to promote your agency and its offerings. One effective approach is leveraging different social media platforms such as YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. Reach out to content creators and inquire if they need short-form content for their channels. Provide them with a link to your agency, emphasizing that it's one of the fastest agencies available since you don't need to spend weeks editing videos yourself. Thanks to Click and Short, the process can be completed in less than an hour. Also, highlight that your services are cost-effective compared to other alternatives. Target creators who have long-form videos and offer to create short-form videos for them. Many people may not know Click and Short and similar tools, so this proposition can be attractive. Sell your services at a reasonable markup, ensuring you approach creators unaware of the strategy. Remember to build your agency as a brand and find ways to sustain customers and clients over the long term. Consider implementing various methods to generate recurring income and potentially earn passive income. By capitalizing on Click and Short and building a solid business online, you can establish a profitable venture that stands the test of time. Even though an agency business model can be profitable, it may not suit everyone's preferences. If you prefer a more independent approach, utilizing AI to make money online and grow your businesses without hiring employees or dealing with clients can be a game changer. It provides the freedom to focus on your own ventures without the added complexities of managing others. If you want to learn how I leverage AI for my online success, don't forget to hit the bell, like, and subscribe. Stay tuned for our latest updates and valuable insights. In conclusion, the combination of Click and Shorts and ClickEra presents a compelling opportunity to capitalize on the growing demand for video content and the need for professional websites. By leveraging these tools, you can tap into the immense potential of short-form videos and captivating landing pages to attract customers, promote your products or services, and ultimately generate revenue. With Click and Short, you have a user-friendly video editing app that empowers you to transform long-form videos into visually stunning and concise shorts, while ClickEra provides a versatile platform for building and managing your online presence. It's essential to recognize that Click and Short and ClickEra are just two examples of many innovative tools available in the market. As technology advances, new solutions continue to emerge, each with unique features and benefits. By embracing a mindset of exploration and experimentation, you can discover additional tools that align with your specific business objectives and unlock further potential. To maximize online success, staying curious and innovative becomes crucial. Continuously exploring the ever-expanding landscape of tools and technologies enables you to adapt to evolving market trends. Discover novel ways of engaging your target audience and find new avenues for generating income. By remaining open to new possibilities and proactively embracing emerging tools, you position yourself at the forefront of innovation, poised for sustained growth and success. So, Seize the opportunities these tools present, but also remember to stay vigilant in your pursuit of knowledge and improvement. Embrace the vast array of available tools and technologies, constantly seeking new and exciting ways to enhance your online ventures, expand your reach, and ultimately achieve your business goals. The potential for success is boundless when you combine innovative tools with your creativity, passion, and entrepreneurial spirit. And that's a wrap. We hope you found this video beneficial and exciting. Remember that there are several online money-making opportunities, and if you want to learn more, check out our other videos. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell for more tips and ideas on expanding your online presence and turning your interests into a profitable business. We thank you for sticking around, and we'll see you in the next one.